Gina from WTI. Do you love lounging around in comfortable clothes as much as possible? Well, I like to be able to do that not just when I'm at home, but also when I go out in public. These relaxed fit joggers from the Legging Depot are so comfortable and are buttery soft. I got the medium size in gray camouflage. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and these fit really well. They're not too tight around the waist, and again, they're just so comfortable. I love wearing them all the time. They are a thin, stretchy material. I love that they look super cute with a parka over the top, and I love that I can wear my knee-high boots over the top of them. They fit perfectly into those. As a tip, I did tie knots in the drawstring because one time the drawstring pulled into the waistband and I had to kind of work it back out. So putting the knots in just makes it so that won't happen again. And of course, it's just really easy to do. I love that these have pockets, and because of the relaxed fit, I just feel more comfortable even wearing them in public. These are really cute and comfortable joggers, and the Legging Depot has a lot of different designs. So you're sure to find one that fits whatever it is that you're going for, and that's my point of view.